I'm here to remind you that the 10th annual Night and Day of Giving is coming up on February 13th. And the theme this year is unity. Now, what always struck me about Country Day is that small as we are and made up of people with so many different strengths and talents and unique personalities, we needed everyone to participate for the school to work the way that it can. That's not just a slogan. We're actually all needed. And that's how you make one school out of many individuals. So let's put the unity in community. You know, many notes, one melody.